how to view sent friend requests on Facebook. Now, let's say you have sent a friend request to a person and you want to know what their account was, or you want to locate every friend request that you have sent on Facebook. In order for you to do that, all you have to do is to tap on these three lines on the upper corner right here and click on the settings icon right here. After that, you just have to scroll down until you see activity log right here. You just have to click on that and scroll down again to locate connections. You just have to tap on this little arrow down right here and click on friends right here, the arrow down as well. Now you just have to tap on send friend request right here and you will be able to see every friend request that you have sent on your Facebook account. You can also see the dates as well and the people that you have sent it from. So that's how to view sent friend requests on Facebook. Hope we help.